All right, so it is very cold. It is 10 degrees, and we're gonna do a pre-dawn hike on Great Falls Park in the Virginia side. Our hope is to see the new day's sun rays going over the falls, and it's gonna be really, really fun. We are on the difficult run parking lot, and we're just going to hike. Let's see how our respective needs does. It's gonna be Michael and I. Oriel is joining us later. It's gonna be fun. All right, Michael, what are we doing today?
Oh, we're going to hit the pavement. Not too hard, I hope.
All right, so where are we?
Right now at Difficult Run.
Excellent. And where are we going?
Down Difficult Run.
And how much coffee have you had today?
Absolutely none.
Oh my God. All right.
Yeah, we'll make it.
So this is Great Falls. We started here, and we have basically walked under 193, and we're here now. Our plan is to kind of go all the way here to where we were paddling this summer, so that Michael can see what it looks like. It's probably all frozen because we mentioned it's 10 degrees. Then we're gonna come back the other way, get back on the fire road, carriage road I think it's called, and meet L'Oreal in the parking lot. And then we'll probably go ahead. It'll be daylight by then, and we're going to go along the Mater Gorge, which parts of it might be frozen. It's going to be really interesting. And then either we meet back up here and we take L'Oreal back via car, or we hike back, and it's going to be a lot of fun. Very good experience.
Recording.
All right, so we are at the top of the crest. That is the Potomac back there.
Good
The
planning.
cold is great, but it is beautiful. We are starting to see some sunlight. Well, not sunlight, but daylight. And we can start seeing exactly how frozen everything is. All right. So L'Oreal has joined us. He is delighted to be here in this 10-degree weather. We're going to do the cliff side trail very slowly. I think there's going to be ice all over the thing, and look at that sunrise. That is fantastic. Aren't you glad to be here, L'Oreal?
I'm so excited.
She's so excited. Let's go do it.
Wait, we're doing the
Cliffside. Yeah, that would not be safe to be kayaking.
no.
Well, the thing is, you see some of the blocks that are bobbing in the current. That would be like a traveling rocking to you. Like, oh, there comes a rock. So I'm gonna say the lemon is going to run forward. If you can see. Thoughts? Are you having fun? Oh, look. Well, it's starting to warm up. The sun is feeling really good because it's still cold. And what we have behind is a very slurpy Mater Gorge. There's ice flows rushing down. We can see a big ice sheet down below. And the river is probably running around 4:1. And it's really, really beautiful. Isn't that so?
Yeah.
Smile for the camera.
Okay.
Oh, this is a good time. All right,
There we go.
we continue our hike. We actually are now moving up from Great Falls, and we can see the river behind us. It's full of ice. It's beautiful. You see all kinds of odd ice formations. And I think we're all really glad we took a chance on the weather and came out, right?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank